One of the most common questions we get regarding outdoor blinds is how does mode perform in the rain and what kind of protection can we expect? Here's a simple demonstration. By spraying water on the screen, this video simulates the rain blocking capabilities of mode mesh fabric. With the direct spray, you can see the amount of water touching the screen. As we move to the other side of the screen, you now see that the mesh fabric is blocking the flow of water. The water is running down the fabric, not passing through it. Angela is holding a small piece of PVC clear sheet to show how little water passes through the mode fabric. As Angela runs her hands over the wet part of the screen, there is very little residue on her hand, clearly showing the rain blocking capability of the outdoor mode mesh. If you want to know more about our outdoor blinds or any of the other products we offer at Blind Designs, visit our website at blinddesigns.co.za. We proudly serve South Africa and the greater Southern African region. If you'd like to get into contact with the distributor, visit our website, click on Distributor tab, and select the closest one to you. I'm Patrick. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.